Welcome to the training video for creating voice threads in Blackboard that allows students to respond using a private comment. VoiceThread is replacing the voice tools in Blackboard, and a private comment is only accessible by the individual student and the teacher. To start, log into Blackboard and choose the class in which you would like to put the voice thread. Once in the class, click on the Content Link button where you want to put the voice thread. Once in the right spot, click on Build Content, and then scroll down until you see VoiceThread link. Name the link however you'd like it to be named. I'm just going to call it Practice right now. Add a description, upload attachments, and enable evaluation. Enabling evaluation allows you to put a grade into the gradebook, so I'll just give this 5 points. Once you're done with that and everything else is how you like it, visible to students, click on Submit. So now we're back to the original page with the link. We'll click on that and wait for it to launch. Now we're in the VoiceThread setup. You'll see that there are 4 options. We have Course View, Home, Individual VT, VoiceThread, and Assignment Builder. For this tutorial, we're going to do the individual VoiceThread. Click on this, and then you will click on Create New VoiceThread. For VoiceThread to work, you have to give it media. You have to give something for the students to look at. And this media can be pretty much anything you'd like it to be. It can be Word documents, videos, pictures, URLs. You can do a webcam video, anything that you would like it to be, and that will be your media. So to add the media, click on Add Media, and I have it saved on my computer, so I have it as VT Response Media. And this is a Word document. You have to be careful with the Word document because if it has really small print, it's not very visible on smaller screens. So I would suggest using a minimum of 32 font just to make sure it's visible for everybody. You need to give it another title. I'd suggest giving it the same title as the one that you just created, and click Save. And the next step is to click on Comment. In addition to having the media for students to look at, you have to provide a comment for which they can respond privately. So the way you do that is you hover down to the middle, bottom part of the screen and click on this plus sign. And this is going to give you multiple options for comments. So you can do a text one, you can phone in a comment, you can do a microphone, you can do a video, and you can upload some type of comment. For the purposes of this video, I am going to do the text comment, which is the ABC button. And I like this if I have multiple classes in one Blackboard. If I combine my classes, I can have it separated out by periods. So I'll type in first period here, click Save, and then here's the comment right here. So it says first period, my name, and then here's a reply if I would like to do a direct reply to myself. So add a couple class periods. We'll do third period. And again, click Save. So you'll notice that the bubbles keep coming up and they can click on it, and you can click on it to see which period it is. Okay, and the final step now is to share it with your students. You'll click on the menu, which is these 3 lines right here next to the title of your voice thread. Click on that and then choose Share. Now you can share this in a couple ways. You can click on the entire class and share it with the entire class, or you can share it with individual people. I'm going to share it with the entire class. The default settings for what they're able to do are to view the voice thread and to comment on it. If you would like them to edit it, you can. However, for my purposes, for this private comment one, I'm going to keep it as view and comment. You can also have the students notified by email if you would like them to know that there's a voice thread available for them. I'm going to uncheck that and I will click Share. And that is how you set up the voice thread. The next thing I'm going to show you is what a student sees. Okay, this is the one student account that I have in this class right now, and it is a practice student account. So I will click on, as a student, I will click on the practice link, and you'll see what it does. It launches it just like it did for the teacher. And this is what the students will see. They are able to create voice threads and browse but the thing that you just created is front and center right there for them. So they'll click on that to access the VoiceThread. And they can click on the 2 speech bubbles to see which one is their period. The way that they will add the private comment is click on the speech bubble and then click on this lock right here. It says make a private reply, and click on that. And since it's a voice thread, I want them to respond by using their microphone. So they'll click on that and allow. And then it's recording right now, and I will hit stop recording. It's automatically going to play the recording back for them. And then it's recording. I'm going to click save so we don't have to listen to all that again. And you'll notice right here that it's spinning. It's going to be available, and it has a lock next to it. And the lock says, if you hover over it, click this. If you hover over it, it says this comment is private, only you and the other person can see it. And the student can delete it if they don't like it and redo it. But that is what the students will see. Okay, and to access this as a teacher, all you do is log into your own account and click on the link. It will launch the VoiceThread again. I've already done this a couple times, so it's skipping the initial page where it gives you VT Home, VoiceThread. So you'll click on VT Home and you'll click on the play button for the one that you just created. I'm going to hit pause because I don't want to go through all of it, but it will play the comments in order automatically. So you click pause down here, and then you can go to the individual comments, click on those and click on those to play them. And that is how you create VoiceThreads that allow students to give private comments. If you have any questions or you would like a written copy of these instructions, please feel free to email me at jcfrank, Frank, @fcps.edu. I'd be happy to send them along to you and answer any questions you may have. Thank you for watching.